Welcome to the beating heart of the global biochemical industry. Here, cutting-edge technology and nature converge to create the world's finest organic acid crystals. This facility spans hundreds of hectares, housing a sophisticated infrastructure designed for the large-scale production of high-purity citric acid for global consumption. Every pipe and valve is part of a grand design, a circulatory system that transports the raw essence of life through various stages of transformation. These towering silos are the monuments of modern science, standing tall as they facilitate the complex biological reactions required for our high-demand manufacturing process. The journey begins with premium corn, a golden gift from the millions of tons flow into our system to be reborn as pure crystals. This massive reserve represents the raw energy that will be unlocked through our advanced bioprocesses, ensuring a steady supply for the world market. Safety and sterility are our highest priorities. Our experts enter the production zone through rigorous decontamination protocols to maintain an absolute clean room environment. This precise sterilization ensures that no external chemical contaminants can interfere with the delicate microbial balance required for the perfect fermentation of our product. We start by refining the raw material. Industrial-grade vibration screens remove of every impurity, leaving only the highest quality corn to move forward into production. The selection process is meticulous. Only the cleanest grains are allowed to enter the grinding phase, where their starch will finally be released for processing. Powerful hammer mills rotate at incredible speeds, crushing the corn into a fine powder. This increases the surface area for the upcoming chemical reactions. The fine powder is whisked away through enclosed pneumatic lines, preventing any waste or contamination as it travels to the massive mixing chambers. Water is added to create a rich starch slurry. This mixture is the foundation of our process, prepared with exact ratios for optimal yield. This liquid gold flows through the plant, moving toward the hydrolysis stage, where complex carbohydrates will be broken down into simple fermentable sugars. Precise heat application prepares the starch for enzymatic action. Temperature control is critical to ensuring the structural integrity of the molecules we are targeting. Specific enzymes are introduced to the mixture. These biological catalysts act like tiny molecular scissors, snipping long starch chains into glucose units. At the microscopic level, a marvelous transformation occurs. The starch is efficiently converted into a sugary broth that will feed our microbial workers. The once-opaque slurry clarifies into a sweet syrup. This glucose-rich medium is the perfect fuel for the most important phase of our production. Real-time data confirms the success of the hydrolysis. With the sugar levels optimized, we are now ready to begin the incredible process of fermentation. We now enter the fermentation hall, the sanctum where biology meets industry. Here, billions of microorganisms will perform the task of chemical synthesis. Meet Aspergillus niger, our microscopic hero. This specific strain of fungus has been perfected over decades to convert sugar into citric acid efficiently. Within these tiny cells, complex metabolic pathways are at work. They consume the glucose and release citric acid as a natural byproduct of their life cycle. Each of these colossal vessels holds 200,000 liters of broth. It is a massive bioreactor designed to provide the perfect habitat for growth. Sterile air is pumped into the tanks, creating a turbulent environment. The fungus requires constant oxygen to maintain high-speed production of citric acid. Fermentation generates heat, so advanced cooling systems must work around the clock. Keeping the temperature stable is vital for the health of the microorganisms. From the control room, every variable is monitored with extreme precision. Even a fraction of a degree change can impact the final quality of the acid. Our operators use state-of-the-art software to fine-tune the environment. pH levels, nutrient flow, and pressure are all managed with just a few touches. Automated sampling occurs every few hours. This allows our lab to track the progress of the fermentation and ensure the fungal colony is thriving. Manual checks complement our automated systems. Our scientists analyze the broth's composition to verify that the citric acid concentration is reaching its peak. As the hours pass, the sugar disappears and the acidity rises. The transformation is slow but relentless, guided by the natural laws of biology. The fermentation process lasts up to 150 hours. This patience is what allows us to achieve such high levels of purity. Massive air handling units maintain the atmospheric pressure within the facility, ensuring that every breath the microorganisms take is perfectly filtered and fresh. This is the fungus in its concentrated form. Within the tanks, trillions of these organisms work in unison to produce the acid we need. We feed the colony a precise diet of minerals and vitamins. This optimized nutrition plan maximizes the output and maintains the vitality of the culture. Internal impellers stir the massive volume of liquid constantly. This ensures that every fungus cell has equal access to nutrients and oxygen throughout the cycle. As the cycle concludes, the broth is now saturated with citric acid. We have successfully turned simple corn sugar into a valuable industrial chemical. Byproducts like foam are carefully managed to prevent overflows. Every stage of the process is refined to ensure maximum efficiency and safety for the equipment. The biological phase is complete. Now the complex task of extracting and purifying the citric acid from this biological soup begins. The raw broth is a complex mixture. Our goal now is to isolate the citric acid and leave everything else behind through multi-stage filtration. We use advanced membrane technology. These filters act as microscopic barriers, allowing the acid to pass through while trapping the larger fungal cells. The solid waste, or biomass, is separated and recycled. Nothing goes to waste in our circular economy, as this byproduct can be used for animal feed. With each filtration step, the liquid becomes clearer. We are peeling away the layers of the biological process to find the pure substance. These massive columns are filled with specialized resin beads. They use chemical attraction to pull out dissolved minerals and impurities from the liquid. At the molecular level, the resin acts like a magnet for unwanted ions. This stage is crucial for achieving the ultra-high purity required for food grade. Activated carbon removes any remaining colors or odors. The result is a liquid that looks like pure water but is actually concentrated citric acid. The clarity is absolute. This purified solution is now free from the biological remnants of the fermentation, ready for the final physical transformation. Our monitoring systems confirm the quality. We have reached the gold standard of purity, surpassing international requirements for the most demanding pharmaceutical applications. Powerful pumps maintain the flow through the final purification loops. This constant movement ensures that the solution remains uniform and free of any sediment. Pressure stability is maintained by automated valves. Our system is designed for continuous operation, providing a consistent stream of high-quality product every day. Visual inspection by our quality control team ensures that no particulates remain. Every batch must pass this human verification before it can proceed. The purified liquid is now sent to the concentration phase. We must remove the excess water to prepare the solution for the crystallization process. This final mechanical crystals ensures that the resulting crystals will be flawlessly white and transparent, free from any embedded impurities. The solution is now at its peak purity. It is ready to be transformed from a liquid state into the beautiful white crystals we recognize. Welcome to the crystallization chamber. Here we use physics to pull the dissolved acid back in. By lowering the temperature and pressure, we reach the point of supersaturation. This is where the magic of crystal growth begins to happen. Look closely as the first seed crystals appear. These tiny foundations will serve as the templates for the millions of crystals that follow. The growth is a marvel of natural geometry. Each crystal forms a perfect structure, stacking atom by atom to create a solid, pure diamond of acid. The result is a stunningly pure crystal. Its sharp edges and transparent body are the ultimate evidence of our meticulous purification process. As the process continues, a heavy snow of crystals settles. This slurry of crystals and liquid is now ready for the separation phase. We use massive centrifuges spinning at thousands of revolutions per minute. The intense one flings the remaining liquid away from the solid crystals. This mechanical separation is incredibly efficient. It leaves us with a damp cake of pure white crystals, ready for the final drying stage. After drying, the crystals are light and free-flowing. They fall like a brilliant white rain, shimmering with a diamond-like luster under the factory lights. These are the final sour diamonds. They carry the pure essence of the corn's energy, transformed by science into a versatile and essential ingredient. Hot, filtered air lifts the crystals, ensuring every single grain is perfectly dry. This prevents clumping and ensures a long shelf life for the product. The crystals are now ready for the world. They move into our high-speed packaging lines, where automation takes over to ensure speed and accuracy. Each bag is filled to the exact gram. Our high-precision scales ensure that every customer receives the perfect amount of our high-purity product. The bags are hermetically sealed to preserve freshness and prevent moisture from entering. This ensures that the product arrives in perfect condition anywhere on Earth. Thousands of bags move through the system every hour. Our facility never sleeps, maintaining a constant flow of essential ingredients to 100 nations. Robotic arms handle the heavy lifting. This automation increases safety and allows for perfect pallet stacking, ready for the most rigorous shipping conditions. The final pallets are wrapped in protective film. This secures the load and adds another layer of protection against the elements during international transport. Our logistics system is fully integrated. Each pallet is tracked from the moment it is filled until it reaches its final destination at a factory. Final quality checks are performed on every batch. We use liquid chromatography to ensure the molecular purity meets our uncompromising internal standards. We verify everything from particle size to solubility. This commitment to detail is why we are trusted by the world's leading food and beverage brands. As the sun sets, our work continues. This journey from corn to crystal is a testament to the power of modern microbiology and industrial engineering. From simple seeds to the sour diamonds that enhance our lives, we are dedicated to excellence. This is the future of sustainable